Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Sign in or create a TaxAct account, verify your email, and enable two-step verification for added security. Begin by entering basic personal data, social security numbers, and filing status, then choose to import W-2s electronically or upload PDF scans. For self-employment or contract work, upload or enter Form 1099 NEC entries. The platform treats 1099 NEC income starting at 00 and will combine multiple 1099s into a single income sum. Work through the guided interview to report all income streams, wages, interest, investment sales, and business revenue using Schedule C for sole proprietors. When entering expenses, categorize costs such as supplies, advertising, and mileage. TaxAct prompts for business miles and allows the simplified home office option at per square foot up to 300 square feet. Don't forget to record retirement contributions, student loan interest, and charitable gifts, since these entries flow into adjustments or itemized sections that reduce taxable income and calculate credits automatically. Complete the built-in review and error check to catch missing SSNs, mismatched names, or unentered forms before you proceed to payment and e-file. If you expect a refund, opt for direct deposit and enter routing and account numbers. Some returns let you split a refund across up to 3 accounts. For taxes owed, pick electronic funds withdrawal, schedule a payment, or pay by credit card. TaxAct displays any card processing fee before you finalize. Finally, sign with your PIN and submit. E-file acknowledgements usually arrive within 24 to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.